Let's try Rewarded Group Randomizer using the Kash-In tool. Simply go to your tools, go to Group Randomizer, select the class that you would want to randomize. And you can select multiple classes, but in this case, let's select one. Once I get here, I can determine how many groups I want. Let's say I want 3 groups. Create groups. From here, I can go in and move students that I feel should not be together. If I want to move, I just moved the twins together, so let me separate them. I'm going to move Sunny over here, and I'm going to put Marcus over here. From here, I can go in and either increase or decrease my reward amount. Let's say they're working in groups. They're doing a good job, so I want to reward group 1. Simply press reward, and that reward automatically goes to each student in that group. And I can do that with all the groups, one of the groups, some of the groups. It does not matter. I hope this helps.